Hi, hello. Welcome back. And now I will try to explain about rubric 5. So let me share my screen. This is still a continuation of what we have discussed on the previous video about rubric 3 and rubric 4. Now I will move on to rubric 5. So for this rubric, this slide is actually prepared by Dr. Mustafa, one of our lecturers as well in the Computer Science Department, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, IPB University. And so thank you, Pak Mustafa, for preparing the slides. Let's go to the first problem on rubric 5. Okay, so this is the first problem in rubric 5. So there are 13 ducks gathered in a very spacious cage. They are bored and want to play magic duck. In this game, they will line up in a row and are given special number 1, 2, 3 until 13, which are hung around the neck of each duck. Duck number 1 is on the far left, followed by duck number 2, number 3, and so on, until duck number 3 is on the far right. Then one or more ducks must dance and get out of line with the following rules. First, the ducks that will dance and get out of line are the ducks that are in the position multiples of 2 from the left. And next, the ducks that will dance and get out of line are the ducks that are in positions multiples of 3. Yeah, multiples of 3, okay. And so on, namely in positions of multiples 4, 5, and so on, until no duck positions are required to dance and get out of line. At the end of the game, which number of ducks will remain in the line? So as the previous problems on rubric 3 and 4, the main thing here is to understand the rule of the game. So let me show you that this is okay. Oops, sorry. Yep. Okay, so this is the rule of the game basically. These 3 here. Okay, this is the rule of the game. You know that the first duck that will have to go out and must dance is the ducks that are in the position multiples 2 from the left. So in the first pass, we have to calculate multiples of 2, So ducks that will go out of line will be ducks 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And then for the second pass, we need to calculate the positions of multiples of 3 from the left. But remember that we need to have a new sequence of duck by omitting those who are already out of the line. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 is already out of the line. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. And then we make the ducks in the position of multiples of 3 from the left go out of the line, which will be duck number 5 and 11. Okay, in the third pass, again, you need to write the remaining ducks, and then duck in the position of multiples of 4 should get out of line, which is duck number 9. And then leftover ducks will be duck number 1, 3, 7, and 13. And then you need to search for duck number in the position of 5 that needs to go out of the line. But since we don't have any duck in that position, no more ducks will get out of the line. So at the end of the game, we will have duck number 1, 3, 7, and 13. Okay, so I think this this problem is quite clear, already. So again, the most important thing is to understand the rules of the game. That's the most important thing. Okay, let's move on. And this is another interesting problem from rubric 5. This is about amoeba. So Karin, a high school student, has the task of raising amoeba. According to the teacher's information, this type of amoeba will give birth to 1 new amoeba per minute after the 4th minute since birth. This type of amoeba will give birth to a new amoeba. And at first, the teacher gave her 6 newborn amoebas and instructed Karin to observe the growth of the amoeba per minute for 1 hour since the 6th amoeba was given. The next development of amoeba is illustrated in the following figure. So from minute 1, Karin have 6 amoeba from her teacher. And then next one, she still have 6, still 6, still 6, because the rule of the game is that the amoeba will give birth to 1 new amoeba per minute after the 4th minute since birth. Yeah. So which is why the 6 amoeba will give birth to 1 each at minute 5. Yeah. Okay. So we have 12 amoeba at minute 5. And then at minute 6, the 12 will be added by 6 from the 2nd minute amoeba, right? So because these 6 will reproduce per minute, right, after the 4th minute. So you will have an additional of 6, additional of 6, and then additional of 6. Finally, at minute number 9, the firstborn amoeba, which is this one, will also add to minute 9. Yeah. So the 12 will reproduce here. Yeah. Okay. So you can see that the basic structure of this problem is that from minute 5, you will have that minute 5, the function is fn minus 1 plus fn minus 4, right? Yeah. So let me erase this once again. So you can see here the pattern, yeah, of this is actually starting from minute 5. Okay, starting from minutes 5. Okay. Sorry. Again. Okay, starting from minute 5, you will get this with this, right? And then minute 6 will be this add by this. Minute 7 will be 18 plus 6. Minute 30 will be 24 plus 6. Yeah. And then minute 42 will be, okay, I'll make a different mark here. 30 plus 12 and so on. So you know the rule here that starting from minute 5, the number of amoeba in that minute will be equal to the number of amoeba in the previous minute plus the number of amoeba in the previous 4 minutes. Because that's the amoeba that can reproduce itself, yeah, because we have to wait for 4 minutes. So this is like Fibonacci numbers actually, yeah. And you can try to find the pattern of these numbers. And then when you calculate, then you will get this results, yeah. Yeah, just like trying to find the formula for Fibonacci number, yeah. We have discussed about Fibonacci number, right? Okay, so in the class, yeah. So just try to find the formula for Fibonacci number, but then you replace this with fn minus 4, because in Fibonacci, the formula will be fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. Okay, so I hope it's quite clear already. So you need to find the pattern. Yeah, this is the pattern recognition game. Okay, okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, next question is about buying 2 and then you get a free 1 by paying only the tax. You can pause this video first and then try to read the question. And basically, if you buy 2 things, then you can buy the 3rd thing by only paying 10% of the original price. Yeah, so the most important thing here, yeah, after you pause, the most important thing here is that if the buyer buys 2 items, the buyer will get the 3rd item for free by only paying 10% of the original price. Okay, that's the first rule. And then the second rule is that you have to know the price of each of this, yeah, price of each of the cooking oil. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can read first, pause the video. Okay, yeah, I hope you already read it and you know that's the 2 important information, yeah. And then other important information is the constraint that a person only brings 500,000 rupiah, yeah. And the goal is the maximum amount of cooking oil that she can buy. Okay, so I will mark here, this is the goal. Yeah, this is the constraint. Yeah, only have 500,000 rupiah. This is the rule of the game. Yeah, you can also say that this is also the constraint. Yeah, this is also the rule. Yeah, so we have several rules there. One constraint, which is 500,000 rupiah, and then one goal, maximum amount of cooking oil. Okay, by knowing this, then you can try buying from the highest profit first. Yeah, so the highest profit will be the 5-liter cooking oil, or you can also try the 2-liter cooking oil. Yeah, because the price is the same. Yeah, for the 5-liter and 2-liter cooking oil, the price is 10,000 rupiah per liter of oil. Yeah, so you can try one of the two, but in this case I tried the 5-liter cooking oil first. Yeah, because it's the big package, and I try to buy it in an even number. Yeah, so that I can get the free one package for free. So first I want to buy 8 pieces of 5-liter cooking oil. Why I do not buy 10 of that? Yeah, because I will not have my money left, any money left for buying the free items. Okay, and if I buy 9 pieces, also I will only have like 50,000 rupiah left. Yeah, so I will not have enough money to buy the promo. Yeah, so that's why I buy 8 pieces of 5-liter cooking oil instead. So I only spent like 400,000 there, and I will get 4 pieces of 5-liter cooking oil by paying only 20,000 rupiah. Yeah, I hope it's clear. Yeah, because you only pay 10% of the price. Yeah, for the third item, right? And the 10% will be 5,000 rupiah, and you get and you buy 4 pieces of the promo. So 4 times 5,000 rupiah, yeah, it becomes 20,000 rupiah. Okay, so I have a total cooking oil of 12 times 5, which is 60,000, 60 liter, 60 liter of cooking oil, and I have this amount of money left. For this amount of money, I buy 2 pieces of 2-liter cooking oil. Okay, 40,000 rupiah, and then I can get 1 piece of 2-liter cooking oil by paying only 2,000 rupiah. So the total will be 6 liter, right? Yeah, 3 times 2 liter, and then my leftover money, I have a remaining money of 38,000 rupiah. Okay, and then for this part, I want to buy 2 pieces of 1-liter cooking oil. This is the price for 2 pieces of 1-liter cooking oil, and then I will buy 1 piece of 1-liter cooking oil, and the price is this. Yeah, so from this I will get 3 liter of cooking oil, and this is the money left that I have. Okay, and then I will buy 1 piece of cooking oil because I only have like 12,000 left. Yeah, so in this case I can only buy 1 piece of cooking oil, and I cannot get any promo for that. And I can only get 1 liter of cooking oil, and my money, my remaining money is only 800 rupiah. Okay, so the total cooking oil that I can get will be, yeah, we'll erase this first. Okay, total cooking oil that I get will be 60 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1, which will be 70 liters. Okay, so I think this is quite clear, yeah, for question number 3. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Yeah, you can pause the video first, read the sentences, read the problem, and then try to find the answer first. Okay, I hope you already try solving the problem by yourself. Okay, so basically you have a grid, yeah, n by n grid, yeah, and then the rule is to give numbers, yeah, to the grids, yeah, but following these rules, yeah. So you put 1 in the box in the outer grid, and then 2 in the inner, and then 3 inner, 4, and so on, yeah, just like this. And you have the pattern like this, yeah. In the diagonal, you can see that in the diagonal the pattern will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, until you reach the middle point. Yeah, and the question is, if the grid is 1 rows and 100 rows and 100 columns, yeah, what is the tile number? What is the tile number? What is the number, yeah, in row 52, column 41? Yeah, one way is you can imagine, yeah, you can imagine 100 times 100 grid. And you know the pattern will be like this, yeah. You will have 1 here, and then 2, and so on. Sorry, 1, 2, and so on until you reach the center of the grid. And you will have a number of 50, yeah, in the center, right? Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, and when you reach column 41, the number in column 41, row 41, column 41, row 41 will be 41, right? And then it will continue until a point where 100 minus 41, 100 minus something is 41, right? Right? So column 41, the numbers in column 41 will still be 41 until you reach a point, a row 59, right? Following these rows, right? Yeah. So you can see from, okay, let's give an example of 3 here, yeah. Okay, column 3 here in the picture, you can see that the column 3, row 3 will have a number of 3, right? Until it stops in row number 5, right? So this is the same, yeah. The tile in row 41, column 41 is also 41. This is quite clear already, yeah, because it's the diagonal, right? And then if we go down the row, the number will still be 41 until we reach the point where we get to row X, such that 100 minus X is less than 41, right? So you can also relate this to the 3 here, right? It will go 3 to the bottom until it reach n minus something less than 3, right? So you stop at 5 there, yeah, because 7 minus 5 is 2. But when you go to 4, 7 minus 4 is still 3, yeah, so it's still 3, right? Okay, yeah, so this is the end of the row, yeah. And since you know that 52, 100 minus 52 is still 48, which is still larger than 41, then by the time we reach row 52, we will still have 41 in the grid. Okay, so the answer is 41 for this. Yeah, okay, I hope this is clear enough. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, the next question is quite easy, actually, yeah. You need to do some logical thinking, yeah, rather than computational thinking, actually, yeah. So let's read together. Gegar Gempita apartment consists of 20 floors. The lowest floor is numbered 1 and so on. Uniquely, during this pandemic, the number of apartment residents on the higher floors increased. In other words, there are more occupants on the second floor than on the first floor and so on. The only way to change floors is via elevator installed in the apartment. Which floor is the most frequent destination for apartment residents using the elevator? Write down an integer, which is the destination floor number. Example 21. Okay, this is more of a logical problem. You know that when you are in an apartment, you cannot, this is more like a common sense, yeah. You know that when you live in an apartment and you want to go out from the building, you always have to go to the first floor, right? You cannot jump, and it's rarely that you will use the stairs, right? So every residence, no matter which floor they live, will need to go to ground floor, right? Or first floor to go out from the building. So the most frequent destination for the elevator will be first floor. Yeah, so the answer is 1. Yeah, so that's the answer, 1. Okay, next one. I think I will not spend more time, yeah, for the previous problem. So let's move on to the next problem. This is let's read together, yeah. On her birthday, a mother gave 200,000 rupiah to their children. She has 5 children, and the difference in money received by children of the nearest age is 10,000 rupiah. The youngest child receives at the least amount of money. How much money did the 4th child receive? And you know the difference, yeah, between the children, yeah, 10,000 difference. So you can make a math equation here. In order to satisfy the condition, you need to have an x. This money will be received by the youngest children, yeah. The youngest child will receive x, and then the next child x plus 10, next one, next one, next one. So the oldest child will receive x plus 40, right? And you can simplify this problem into 5x plus 100 is equal to 200. Yeah, and then you can simplify again, 5x equal to 100, so that x will be equal to 20. This means that the children, starting from the youngest, will get 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 with a total of 200,000 rupiah, which means that this will be obtained by the first children, the oldest one, second, third, fourth, and fifth children. And the question is, how much money did the 4th child receive? Yeah, so the answer is this, yeah, 30,000 rupiah. Okay. Okay, I think it's clear enough for rubric 5. I think that's all for the series of my videos to help you prepare for your exam. I hope you can learn something from this. Yeah, basically, in any problem, please find the goal, find the constraints, find the rules, and sometimes you also just need to use your common sense, yeah, rather than thinking mathematically. Yeah, sometimes common sense is also important. That's the creative thinking part. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. Good luck for your exam. Bye-bye.